Hey guys, Shumate6 here again with another video tutorial for the 4th annual IJA Video Tutorial Contest. You might be wondering why I'm filming in the shower. Today we're going to be looking at the third and final fundamental trick of pin spinning, the charge. To do this trick, you want to hold the pin in between your second and third finger, your middle and ring finger, and rest the pin in your thumb flap like so. You want your middle and ring finger to hold the pin at about the first knuckle and roughly in the center of whatever pen or pencil that you are using. This is what the trick looks like. It's called the charge normal, and it does one full 360 degree rotation like so. It never leaves the slot, but it does a conical rotation in that slot, so it goes out and comes back to the thumb flap where you catch it. The push is a combination of your middle and ring finger, along with you can build up a little bit of pressure in the thumb flap as well. Important things to keep in mind when doing this trick is that the pin, again, isn't that heavy. You don't have to apply more force. If you aren't getting the trick down, applying more force isn't going to help. So just because you build up more pressure, all it's going to do is fling the pin out of your hand. So try to master the technique before you worry about not applying too much force. In order to make this trick happen, it takes a lot of practice, but the technique and the finger position is also very important. You want to have your middle finger curl slightly over the body of the pen, and your ring finger to be positioned a little bit further underneath it, but straight. What happens is you're going to be straightening out your middle finger and your ring finger, and your ring finger is actually going to move back, which is going to cause the pen or pencil to come parallel with your fingers. And then when you bring your middle finger back over the pen, as you bring the pen back in, that's what's going to cause the second half of the rotation to occur and the pen to come to rest in your thumb flap. I'm going to practice one rotation first. So one rotation. Keep in mind that your ring finger is doing most of the work. Your middle finger is very important, but also keep in mind that the ring finger is moving back, so you're straightening out your hand. So you need to start with a little bit curled of a middle finger and a ring finger, but you're straightening that out, and to bring it back in, you just bring your fingers back into your palm, like so. That's one rotation. Much like continuous tricks, you want to practice doing one charge first, then catching in back in the original position. When you feel like you've mastered that and you can get a nice conical motion, it will be difficult to control at first, but once you get a nice conical motion, you can start doing multiple. So you might try 2 and then catching in the back same position, or 3. Like most other tricks, you can map the charge, so you can do it in the 3-4 slot in between your ring finger and your pinky, or in between your index finger and your middle finger and the 1-2 slot as well. So it's a nice trick to learn, and also introduce you to conical motion in between the fingers. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.